Hello, my dance girls. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Before I show you your entire dance, I'm going to break down just a few of our moves. So the first one is when we start off our dance. Our starting position is in first position, heels together, toes apart, and our arms are in a nice rounded circle. Okay, in the beginning of our dance, we plie, and we do a little hop to the left, just like that. You do that a few times, as I'll show you in your dance. After you do that, we get to a part where whoever is on the right end of the line, which will be one person, they're going to grab a ribbon. So if you have a ribbon or a scarf at home, you can use that for now. They're gonna grab the scarf and they're going to pass it back to each girl behind them. So all of you will be holding on to the same scarf at the same time, like this. So when you're with your scarf, it's when we go around the circle and we stop and hop. Run, stop, and hop. All right, we're gonna start off with the dance. I'm gonna face this way because this is the way you girls are used to practicing. So we're gonna pretend that this mirror is the audience. You're gonna hop on the jing. Ready for the hop? You're hopping on every ding.